Hello, everyone. This is Mary Elizabeth Castle, Government Relations Director for Texas Values, with another Government Relations Director, Dylan Jeremiah with Family Policy Alliance. And so many of you are aware that Family Policy Alliance is the national organization, the umbrella for organizations like Texas Values, and they have helped us for a long time with the women's sports issue, even going back all the way to 2021 when we were trying to pass our Save Girls Sports Law, and just supporting us all along the way until we passed our Privacy Act recently. So Dylan Jeremiah, just tell us a little bit about Family Policy Alliance first of all, and how much progress you've seen on this issue of women's sports over the past few years.
Certainly, yes, and thank you, Mary Elizabeth. Very much appreciate that introduction. But yes, we love working with you all, and my role essentially is to take all of the awesome work that's happening at the state level, be it in Texas, be it in Florida, all over the country, and take it here to Washington, D.C., to Capitol Hill. You really use the states as a laboratory for all the policy ideas, and we've seen so much success at the state level. We've been working hard to try and get some of those great ideas done here in Washington.
Absolutely, and today is a big day because we're at the U.S. Supreme Court for the Hecox versus Little case. And you know, there have been approximately 26 states that have laws protecting women's sports, but what does it mean to see this issue at the U.S. Supreme Court now?
Oh, I mean, it means the world. We see so often when these state laws actually come to the Supreme Court, and they essentially, when they're upheld, it really opens the floodgates for the rest of the country, because that's one of the biggest things the state legislators will say is, we want to wait and see what the courts say about this. So once it happens up here, there's no excuses anymore. It's time to get it done.
Absolutely, and we're hoping to have good results when we do have that coming up in the next term. But we're going to hear more about updates from what happened inside the oral arguments. We do have a few Family Policy Council attorneys that were able to be inside, including Jonathan Saenz, Renee Carlson, many others, and many of the Family Policy Council signed on to an amicus brief. So just explain to our viewers, why, and we sometimes will do briefs where Family Policy Councils will sign on to different cases at the Supreme Court.
Certainly. So the Family Policy Councils, want to be able to share the information that they have, utilize their legal expertise to help share what's going on actually at the state level, how these different types of laws work, why they're written the way that they're written, and just be able to share from their experience and try and share with the judges the best possible way forward.
Absolutely, and you can find a copy to that brief on our txvalues.org website and on social media. We had state legislators from the state of Texas, women legislators actually signed their name onto that brief as well. So thank you so much, Dylan, for all that you do with Family Policy Alliance and helping us in Texas. And that's how you stand up for faith, family, and freedom in the state of Texas.
Thank you.